So how do you actually print shipping labels on Shopify? Well, to be able to print shipping labels on Shopify, you need to firstly connect either a third party like a DHL or something similar to that, that actually can handle your shippings, and it will be applied to your order automatically. And if you haven't yet connected a third party, you can of course go ahead and actually order shipping yourself. And to be able to order shipping yourself, you can either go to, for example, DHL, USPS, or whatever that actually fits your area and the area that you're shipping to, of course. And I'm just going to show you how it could potentially look. So if you go into your orders on Shopify and click on your orders right here, oh sorry, here it is actually, here's the order as you can see. And then to be able to print something, you can just click on print right here. And then I'm going to print the packaging slip right here. It is not a shipping label, of course, but this is exactly how it would potentially look. So now you're just going to click on the print icon right here, as you can see, and the destination, you're going to click on see more here, and then select your printer right here, and then click on print, as you can see. And now when you have clicked on print, then you should go into your printer, and hopefully this is going to print here for me, as you can see. So we're just going to wait. And I'm just going to catch it real quick, and as you can see, this is how it actually looks. So yeah, it did actually print, and it's pretty easy to print. The hardest part is that you have to have an actual like shipping company connected to your store, of course, or if you go and use a third party yourself, that is also possible, of course. But basically this is exactly how to do this.